In this video, I show you how to move your full screen game or application to another monitor in Windows 11. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. There are a few different ways you can go and move a full screen game to another monitor, so I'll show you them. The first way is simply by using your keyboard. So what you want to do is make sure the game is open on your screen, for example, like now. So in this case, I'm just doing it with this game here called Farming Simulator. So I'm now going to go and put a video on the screen, but what you need to do is go onto your keyboard and you need to go and hold the keys Shift, then the Windows key on the left hand side, and then what you need to do is just use your arrow keys to go and tap the direction you want to move the game in. For example, if I want to go and move it to my left monitor, I then just go and tap on the left arrow key like so, and it'll then go and switch it over. I'm going to be showing the video right now, and of course you can then go and move it back by doing the exact same thing. Hold on Shift, the Windows key, and then the right arrow key in this case, and I'll then switch it back. It's honestly that easy. If you find that that method isn't working for you though, don't worry because there is an alternative. What we can do is go and change the primary monitor, and then of course you can always change it back later if you want to go and change it again, because usually games are going to go and launch on your primary monitor which you've set. To change your primary monitor, all you need to do is right click somewhere on your home screen or your desktop like this, and then go and tap on display settings like this, and wait a moment, and here we are. As you can see here in my monitors, and what you need to do is choose the monitor which you want the game to launch on. In this case, I want it to be monitor 1, so therefore I need to go make it my main display, and then the game should go and launch on that. My screen recorder has just gone black because it's just switched it, and now when I go and launch the game, I'll need to go and close the game on this monitor and then go and relaunch it again. The next time I launch it is then going to go and appear on that other display. And that's it guys. If you found this guide useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.